have a little kitty. Hi, Chewy. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special guest, my beautiful niece Destiny Billy. She'll be joining us and we will be in the kitchen together cooking a special meal, which is something we love to do. Yeah, Des?
Yes.
And tell everybody hello. So what we're making for you today is called One-Pit Vegan Shakshouka. What is it called, Destiny?
Shakshouka.
Now the shakshouka, it's an Arabic, Mediterranean, Middle Eastern dish that comes from the word shaka, which means, it's a slang which loosely means combined, something that comes together and is mixed, right? So what are some of the ingredients that we're mixing together today?
Okay, so some of the cool ingredients, which some of them are my favorite, and only one I never tasted it.
Oh, which one is that?
That is kale.
Oh, yum. Okay, so you're excited to try it?
Yes.
Yeah, and what are some of the ingredients, the other ingredients?
The other ingredients are garlic, tomatoes, and other things that I really want to say, but it's a whole list.
So it's gonna be a surprise.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so we're excited to share this dish with you and we hope that you love it.
So she's gonna start cutting these onions. Kids, don't try this at home without a parent, because we're gonna be cooking with fire and be using knives.
Right, so now we have to cut out a whole head of garlic because you know it's Caribbean version of this dish. So in the Caribbean version of anything, you must just pull it and just pull it with garlic.
Garlic.
So usually this dish has egg in it, right? And it usually has egg and tomatoes and stuff like that. Because we're doing a vegan version, Destiny, what does that mean?
We're not putting any
No eggs, right? So
egg free. That one there looks like a duck or bird. Crushed it. It's gonna, since I cook water, it's gonna look real nice. So when I'm peeling it off, it will come off easily. Stand. Stay inside.
how does it taste, Des?
Like lettuce, my favorite bush. Alright, so now let's have some tomatoes cleansed. Let's clean these bad boys. Wash it first. So now I'm doing my favorite part, which is tomatoes. Anyways, so let's put the tomatoes inside here in a cute shape.
Destiny just put all the tomatoes inside his bowl.
No.
What are you doing?
If it does not look like that part of me, I'm very sorry. Let's fix it. You do not know what it is? It is.
It's a heart.
Yep.
done with our shakshuka. This is what it looks like.
I have some kale.
And, yeah, and we put some vegan cheese on top of it. So yummy yum. So let's try it this way.
Yeah.
Oh my
I'm
god.
gonna try the kale. I never tasted kale before.
It's good? It's good. And the cannellini beans. So these are the cannellini beans. It's just bursting with flavor. I really like this. I think I'll make this again sometime soon. And the vegan cheese on top of it just gives it such a nice kick of flavor. Yeah? This
I'm
is
gonna
good.
fall asleep in love.
This is good.
Wonderful.
So, I hope you try this. It's really simple to make, and it's delicious and it's healthy, which is like key to all meals, right? Dad?
Yeah.
Bellissima, bellissima. Bye.